Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve this question together. Now we are given what? Into 1 divided by 81 all to the power of x plus into 1 divided by 9 all to the power of x. All this is equals to 1. We are asked to look for the value of x. Okay? Now, look at the amazing things we are going to do here. Do you know that 81 you are seeing can also be seen as what? 9 to the power of 2 in index form. That means this is sentence as what? Into 1 divided by 9 to the power of 2. 9 to the power of 2 is 81. All to the power of what? X. Okay? Plus what? Plus into 1 divided by what? 9. All to the power of x equals to what? 1. Wow. This is amazing, right? So what are we going to do? Do you know that we are not wrong? We are not wrong because we know that 1 times 1 is 1. So we are not wrong if we decide to write this one as into 1 square divided by what? 9 to the power of 2 all to the power of x. Because 1 square is still what? 1. Because 1 times 1 is 1. And 9 to the power of 2 simply means what? 9 times 9, which is what? 81. Plus what? Plus into 1 divided by 9 all to the power of x. All this equals to what? 1. Wow. What are we going to do? Now let's obey one of the properties of indices. Okay? If you have what? If you have into a divided by b, sorry, you have a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m, okay? Now all this equals to what? All this equals to what? Into a divided by what? B all to the power of what? M. This is one of the properties of what? Indices. Very interesting. Now we are having a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. Since we are the power here is m and the power here is m, so this power means that this m here is affecting a, also affecting b, which is the denominator. Okay, so that's what we're going to do here. You can see that we're having 2 here, which is the power, and having 2 here. So we are not wrong. If we write this as what? Bracket, okay, then into what? 1 over what? 9 to the all to the power of what? 2. And remember that the exponent here is what? What? X. Okay, then plus into 1 over 9 all to the power of x equals to what? 1. Wow, this is amazing. We are obeying the properties of indices. Okay, we are obeying the properties of what? Indices. You see, that means this 2, which is the power, is affecting this 1, also affecting this what? This 9. Do you know that we are not also wrong? Because by one of the properties of indices, if you have into a to the power of m all to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by what? N. And again, we can also write it as into a to the power of n all to the power of m is equals to a to the power of n multiplied by what? N. So we can do something very interesting here. So we can write it as what? Bracket, okay, into 1 over 9 to the power of what? X. Now we'll bring this x here and take this other to the power of this 2 to here. Remember that 2 times x is equals to x times 2, don't forget. Then plus into 1 divided by 9 all to the power of x equals to what? 1. Wow, this is what we are looking for. Can see that 1 into 1 over 9 all to the power of x is equals to this, which is into 1 over 9 all to the power of x. They are the same. So if they are the same, we are not wrong. We are not wrong in any way. If we say let into 1 over 9 all to the power of s equals to what? P, because they are what? Common. Wow. So we can remove this from here quickly. Okay, let's remove this from here quickly. Now in place of this, look at, now this is what? Bracket, okay, all this is now what? P. So now this is P, okay, to the power of what? To the power here was 2, can see, then plus what? Plus P equals to what? 1. Now remember that the power here is 1, right? Power of this P is 1. So 1 times 2 give us P to the power of 2 plus what? P equals to what? 1. Now let's subtract 1 from both sides so that I can put this in a very well form of what? Quadratic what? Equation. So if we do that, what this is P square, okay, plus P minus 1 equals to what? 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, but our question is that, can this question be factorized? No. Okay, so what are we going to do? We can use completing the square or what? Almighty what? Or sorry, can use complete the square or formula method, right? Alright, so that's what we're going to do. Let's formula method. That means our P is equals to minus B plus minus the square root of what? B squared minus 4AC all divided by what? 2A. This is the formula of what? Quadratic formula, right? This is the formula. Now we know that our a is equals to what? 1. Because since the coefficient of p square here is 1, so the a is what? 1. Then comma, our b is equals to what? Our b is what? 1. Because the coefficient of p here is what? Is 1. And our c is equals to what? Minus 1. That means p will be equals to, look at minus b, look at b is 1, so this will become minus 1, okay? Plus minus the square root of what? Into what? Into 1 to the power of 2, because b is 1, minus 4, a is what? A is 1. Then what? C is what? C is minus 1, divided by what? 2 into what? 1, because a is what? 1. That means our p will be equals to minus 1 plus minus the square root of what? Minus 1 to the power of 2 simply means 1 times 1, which is 1. Minus 4 times 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 times minus 1 will give us plus what? Plus 4. Can remove this little bit, okay? Then divided by what? 2, because 2 times 1 here is 2. Wow. That means our p is equals to minus 1 plus minus what? Root what? 5 divided by what? 2. It means that p is equals to positive 5, positive root 5 minus 1 divided by 2, or our p is equals to negative root 5 minus 1 divided by what? 2. These are the value of p. But remember, we are not asked to solve for p. We are asked that what is the value of what? X. Now let's recall from here, okay? Let's recall so I can find the value of what? X. Wow, this is amazing. I love this, right? This is proper genius. Alright. Now let's recall. Recall that from here that into 1 divided by 9 all to the power of s is equals to what? P. But we're going to that our p is root 5 minus 1, right, over 2, or p is equals to minus root 5 minus 1 divided by 2. So let's see when p is equals to this. When p is equals to what? Root 5 minus 1 divided by what? 2. That means into 1 divided by 9 all to the power of x will be equals to root 5 minus 1 divided by 2. What are we going to do? Because the bases are not the same. Let's invite what? Logarithm. Logarithm will help us. So let's take log of both sides. That means log into 1 divided by 9 all to the power of x will be equals to log of what? Log into root 5 minus 1 divided by what? 2. Right? Now let's also obey one of the properties of logarithm, that the power here, which is s, can also go back. This power can also go back to multiply the log. So now this is s multiplied by log what? Log into 1 over 2, okay, equals to what? Log of what? Into root 5 minus 1 divided by what? 2. For us to have this s, we have to divide both sides by what? Log what? Log 1 over 9, okay, and divide here by what? Log what? Log what? 1 over what? 9. Now this will cancel out this. Log 1 over 9 divided by log over 9 will go, so we are left with x. That means our s, let's remove this one, yes. Our s will be equals to, that means our s, okay, our s will be equals to log of what? Log into root 5, okay, minus 1, okay, root 5 minus 1 divided by 2, okay, divided by what? Log what? Log into 1 divided by 9. And this is the value of x, okay? This is the value of x that satisfy this equation. That means if we simplify this further, we want to add the value of x, okay, approximately 0 point something, okay, and this is the value of x, okay. Now what you want to do, you have to simplify this and take the logarithm of this and take the logarithm of this, then divide it. You must have 0 point something, okay, and this is the value of x that satisfy this equation. Now when p is equals to minus 5 root 1 minus root 5 minus 1 divided by 2, I don't know, this will not, maybe it will not satisfy this equation, okay. But when p is equals to this, you can see here, give you a valid solution to this problem. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate to like, comment, and so share it to loved ones or others will learn from it. Please, if you're not subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel so anytime another exciting video you notify. So thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye.